Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be solving Angry Professor. So we have a discrete mathematics professor who is frustrated that his students or her students lack discipline, and he wants to cancel class if fewer than some number of students are present when class starts. So to calculate the time for arrival is just the arrival time is less than or equal to 0, and the late time is anything greater than 0. So in this problem, we only care about the arrival time, because if keeping track of the arrival time, which is greater than 0, just means the students are late, and we only care about the students that are actually early. So if we're given an array like this, then we know that 4 students arrived early because we have 0, 0, and then -1, -1. So it means that 4 students arrived early, and 4 is less than k, so the class goes on if k was 5. Okay, so let's actually just build a solution for this real quick. So what we need to do is keep track of our early arrivals, and for that we can use an int and call this one early. It's going to be equal to 0, and then we need to go over the array. So say for use int here, and I'll call this one arrival time, and we're going to pass an a here. All right, so we're going to say if arrival time is less than or equal to 0, that means that the students are actually early. So we're going to say early plus plus, and then once we're done here, we just need to do return early less than k, which is the threshold. If that's the truth, then it's going to return yes, otherwise we return no. All right, and let's go ahead and run this. And that's correct. All right. So one way we could have done this in one line of code is we could use some string stuff where we just return arrays and then use string. We're going to pass in the array as the argument, and then we're going to go ahead and filter. So filter is just a predicate. If you've used C# before, you probably know about this, or Java. They all have this now. So we're going to take in E, which is the current value, and we're going to say that if E is less than or equal to 0, which was just our if statement. So pretty much a filter just returns true or false if the value meets the condition that we actually want. And then what we want to do is we actually want to keep a count of that. So you're going to say count. So count just does is it counts the number of times the condition is actually true, and then what we can do is say that if it's less than k, then we're going to go ahead and return yes, otherwise we're going to go ahead and return no. And this is it, and we can go ahead here and run this. Compilation error, and k is not capitalized. There we go. Run this. All right, and run that. All right, guys, this will be it for this problem. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.